Nissan has unveiled a refreshed version of the Fairlady Z at the Tokyo Auto Salon, previewing updates for the 2027 model year. The changes are evolutionary, focusing on refining design, aerodynamics, and driver engagement rather than altering the car's fundamental character. The exterior receives a cleaner front bumper and grille design, replacing the previous vertical slits with a sculpted lower intake and a body-colored crossbar, along with a standalone Z badge. Nissan claims the revisions reduce front lift by about 3.3% and drag by roughly 1%. New bitone wheels, an Unryu Green paint option, and a tan leather interior emphasize the model's retro inspiration, while the Nismo version retains a more aggressive look. Under the hood, the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine makes around 400 horsepower in the standard trim, and about 420 horsepower in the Nismo trim. The most notable update is the addition of a 6-speed manual transmission for the Nismo variant, paired with revised engine tuning to improve responsiveness. Suspension updates include larger monotube dampers, while the Nismo gains stronger GTR-derived brakes. The updated Fairlady Z will go on sale in Japan in mid-2026, with other markets expected to follow soon. Guys, if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.